Welcome everyone to a video in which we will see technical aspects of improved Blizzard since this talent was not played back in the days. However, given the experience of players who have continued to play, they have found a great value in it, and today I will explain why, how to use it, and some super useful tips for specific situations. As we can see, the improved Blizzard generates a slow effect on the target of 75% for 4.5 seconds. Let's get into tip number 1. Firstly, 1v1 versus priests and paladins, try to make them on the open field, and after every cast or every 2 casts, get a Blizzard tick to make sure they are still slowed. Tip number 2, sip on the pillar. It's very easy for the healer to get out of vision range while he casts instant spells. However, you can try your luck at slowing him down, and just as he gets out, he's slower to get in and you sneak the sip in. Tip number 3, make sure you have line of sight to the center of the Blizzard. It's better to don't risk the line of sight and even that you misplay because making it too nearby. Tip number 4, when the warriors have full diminishing return of Nova and Sip, use it at the best crowd control with a chance to even proc the frostbite. Tip number 5, deny the druid doing 1 versus 2. It is usual in the mage rogue versus druid rogue matchup to kill the rogue, and the druid can easily do the 1 versus 2. However, thanks to improved Blizzard, you can save time. And these are the 5 tips so far for the correct use of the improved Blizzard. To say that if it already has a great value in 2 versus 2, it has even a greater value for 3S or 5S, but that's not all. For those who keep until the end of the video, I'm going to give you 2 extra tips. Extra tip number 1. In the 1v1 of the mage with the rogue, if the rogue only has 1 vanish left, from the sip, you will want to fireball plus Blizzard and then shatter. Extra tip number 2. When the rogue goes to the pillar, it is normal for the mage to put missiles to do damage, but high level rogues will deadly throw. Here you can try to put the Blizzard first, and then if they cut it, you can cast missiles. There is also an extra tip number 3 necessary for an opening against a certain setup in a certain map that we will keep secret and that I will reveal randomly in my stream or social media of Jugando Mejor. This has been all for this mini guide of improved Blizzard. I hope it has been useful, and if you enjoyed it, like it, and just to let you know, I upload psychology content in Spanish mostly, but unable to attend any demand on English, so don't be shy to ask. Is life a game? Gaming better.